In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a board on mondaycom. If you need to remove a board that you no longer use, the process is very straightforward. Just keep in mind that deleting a board can affect your team's workflow and remove access to the information stored there. So it's always a good idea to make sure you're deleting the correct one before you confirm anything. To begin, open mondaycom and navigate to the specific board you want to delete. Make sure you are actually inside the board itself and not just viewing a general workspace or dashboard. Taking a second here to confirm the board name can help prevent accidental deletion, especially if you manage multiple boards that look similar or have related projects inside them. Once you're on the correct board, look for the three-dot menu. This is the small options menu that gives you access to additional board actions. It's usually located near the top area of the board interface. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open the drop-down menu. After the menu opens, look through the available options until you find Delete. Click on Delete to begin removing the board. Depending on your account settings or permissions, mondaycom may ask you to confirm the action. If that happens, just carefully review the prompt and make sure it's the board you really want to remove before proceeding. That's it. Once you select Delete, the board will be removed from your mondaycom account or workspace based on your permissions and setup. As a quick tip, if you're not completely sure whether you should delete the board, consider pausing for a moment to check whether anyone else on your team still needs access to it. In many cases, a board may still contain useful updates, files, or project history. If you only wanted to clean up your workspace without permanently removing information, you may want to review your available options first before choosing deletion. But if you're certain, the process is simple. Open the board, click the three-dot menu, and choose Delete. And that's how to delete a board on mondaycom.